So this is me getting the access of my neighbor's Wi-Fi. But the question is, how? Well, it's pretty easy, but first let me introduce myself. I'm a 14 years old child with interest in programming and little bit hacking too. Let's get into the point. As I said, it is easy, but actually it wasn't. You can say that I saved you a lot of research. You see, first I tried ways like installing application which would provide me the password of any Wi-Fi, but they didn't work at all. Then I tried to use my Windows 10 PC, but it wasn't possible in it too. Last I get to the point that I need different operating system, and that was Kali Linux. The operating system with all the commands and tools which I need to crack a Wi-Fi, such as AirmonNG, Wi-Fi, Aerodump, AirCrackNG. Don't get scared by this name, I will explain it all. But how do I install Kali Linux on my PC? Or what if I also want my Windows in PC with Kali Linux? Well, I have given link of tutorial which would tell you that how to dual boot Kali and Windows. By seeing that, you can perfectly dual boot Kali Linux without unnecessary errors. You might have one more question, that what is dual booting? It is basically mean installing operating system in your PC without removing the one you use primarily. Once you got Kali Linux on your PC, you're one step closer to your goal. Congrats, my brother. But there is still so much of work remaining. Yeah, you need to get knowledge of Kali commands like airmon, aircrack. But instead of putting commands, I have one more way to make it easy. That is using a tool to get Wi-Fi password, which is Wi-Fi. A tool which automatically perform several attacks on Wi-Fi and give you the password. But the chances of getting Wi-Fi password by it are low. Then also it gave me password of 2 Wi-Fis. Here is how it works. You need to open root terminal and put user password in it. Once you open the terminal, continue typing Wi-Fi on root terminal and hit enter. It will start scanning all the Wi-Fis near you using your Wi-Fi chip. If you are in laptop, but if not, then you need to buy Wi-Fi adapter for it. It will cost you around 500 to 1500. Assuming you got it or you have a laptop, it will show all the Wi-Fis near you, and also there is a WPA section which show that the Wi-Fi is WPA or not. If some of them are WPA, you can get their password. Just stop scanning by pressing Ctrl+C and select the serial number of the Wi-Fi which you wanna hack with WPA and put it there. Hit enter again and wait until the process ends. Boom, it will give you the password. However, friend, I think that this method is not efficient and accurate like other methods such as twin attack, handshake capturing, etc. If you want to know these, let me know in the comment section. But this method is also one of the best method, and try it on all nearer Wi-Fis. I'm sure it will at least work on one. Keep patience, trust the process, and you will get it. Make sure you like and hit that subscribe button because I create such interesting and informative videos for you, but still this sub count is sad. I will meet you again with such video on this channel, so stay tuned.